As you know, I have a cat Oliver who, just like most cats, leaves his hair everywhere he goes, and it can become really annoying. This is PalFur, the world's first all-in-one grooming kit with a HEPA 3-layer filtration system. The kit comes with a lot of accessories to make taking care of your pet effortless. In the retail box, you get the main unit, a grooming brush, an electric clipper with 4 guard combs, a de-shedding tool, hair remover, 2-in-1 brush, almost 1.8 meters length hose, a power cord, some paperwork, and a storage bag. First of all, let's take a look at the main unit. This is the world's first grooming kit that uses a 3-layer HEPA filtration system. The filters can be easily removed for cleaning. This is important because, for instance, dog's fur is found to be dirtier than its mouth and paws combined, containing 34.7 million colony-forming units before grooming. Not sure about the exact number when it comes to cats, but you get the idea. The fur is very dirty. The HEPA filtration system can remove at least 99.97% of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and any airborne particles with a size of 0.3 microns. The way this kit works is very simple yet effective. You have to connect the hose, which has a triple lock mechanism and is 32 mm in diameter to ensure durability and prevent hair clogging. Then you need to choose the adapter you want to use, press the power key and choose from 3 suction levels, depending on your pet's hair length. Let's quickly go through all the attachments and see how this kit works. Basically, there are 2 ways of using this kit. You can select the brush and use it with the machine turned on, and the hair will be vacuumed at the same time. This is the cleanest way of pampering your pet, as all the hair goes straight to the large 2 liters bin. Thanks to the directional airflow design, the stored hair are compacted so it can fit more. Alternatively, you can select the brush and use it with the machine turned off and then turn it on to vacuum the hair. However, I recommend you keeping the device on as it is relatively quiet, rated at just below 60 decibels. Besides, simply place it further from your pet not to scare it and use it with a long hose. My cat got used to it in no time and he actually likes being groomed and vacuumed at the same time. The grooming brush and the de-shedding tool are my cat's favorites. When you groom your pet, most of the hair is sucked into the bin. However, if there are some hair left, just press the button and it will get vacuumed. My cat likes the vacuuming power level 2, but it really depends on the mood. Sometimes level 1 is enough, and for a brief period of time, level 3 can be also enjoyable. I don't usually cut my cat's hair, but you have an option to do that with a clipper which comes with 4 guard combs for different length cuts. I think this is a great tool, especially if you have a dog that you need to shorten the hair for the summer season and avoid costly visits to the pet care salon. I found both vacuuming tools to be highly effective as they help vacuuming cat's hair fast. Basically, this kit works as a compact vacuum cleaner too, which is pretty cool. The PalFur kit uses a dual air channel cooling system which allows you to use the device for 24 hours without any overheating issues. So far, the device has been working perfectly. Cleaning of the bin is super fast and easy, and it takes just a few seconds. Overall, the PalFur Grooming Kit is an awesome and feature-packed all-in-one solution for your pet. I found all the adapters to be working great, and most importantly, the grooming session keeps everything clean. All the hair is vacuumed, so your home is cleaner. In addition, you can avoid costly visits to the pet hair salon by grooming your pet yourself. Further, HEPA filtration system helps block the fine dust and bacteria and avoids secondary air pollution at home. All in all, the PalFur Grooming Kit is a versatile, highly effective, and easy-to-use all-in-one solution for your pet. So far, it has been working as advertised, and thus, I can easily recommend it. What do you think about this kit? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.